everyone. My name is Nguyễn Tiến Đạt. I'm 22 years old. I'm Mr. International Vietnam. I was born in Hanoi, the capital of Vietnam, and I grew up in the basic family. I am so happy to join this contest and I want to introduce the Vietnam traditional to everyone. I'm Vietnam fitness model and I love gym, football and music. It is the first time I come to Thailand and I'm very excited. So I hope having a good time is here. It is a picture I prepared to bring to Thailand and I also have a special gift to all the contestants in Mr. International 2017. I hope you like it.